Wait a second. Are your clothes still smelling even after washing? Or they're not getting properly clean? Or is your washing machine making weird noises? If yes, your machine is already unhealthy from inside. And the longer you ignore it, the worse the damage becomes. Today it's a 499 rupees issue. Tomorrow it can turn into an 8,000 rupees repair bill. Before your machine completely breaks down, call Dial and Search now. Bangalore's trusted service center. Certified technicians, no hidden charges. Service starts at just 499 rupees. And right now, there's a limited time 50% OFF, which means you pay even less. Service available all across Bangalore. And a technician can reach your doorstep within just 1 hour. Call now and book your service today. Fix your washing machine now, before it's too late.